Hello again, this is again Mom Joanne, and we are on the third part on the discussion on quartiles. So these are values that divide a set of data into four equal parts. So to find the position of the kth quartile, that is equal to k divided by 4 times the quantity of n plus 1. Now we have discussed on the previous video presentation or recording about the Mendenhall and the Cake method. So another is the linear interpolation method. This method is used to get the exact value of the data. It is useful in finding the quartiles, as sometimes the quartile point will be in between two numbers. So what are the steps in the linear interpolation method? So the first is to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Second is to locate the position of the scores in the distribution. Third is to find the difference between the two values wherein the specific data is situated. Step number 4, get the decimal part result in step number 2 and multiply it with the result in step 3. And step number 5 is add the result in step 4 to the smallest number in step 3 to get the value of the measure of position. Now for the example, so these are the scores of 13 students in the 20-item test. Let us find the first quartile. So the first step again is to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So the smallest number is 3 and the highest number is 20. So step number 2 is to locate the position of the score. So we are looking for the first quartile, that is 1 over 4 times the quantity of n plus 1. So our n is 13. We have here 13 students, so we have 13 scores. So 1/4 times 13 plus 1. So simplify natin. So that will be 14. And 1/4 of 14 is 3.5. So that is the 3.5th data element. So as you can see, we have here a decimal number. So interpolation is needed to get the exact value. So step number 3, find the difference between the two values wherein quartile 1 is situated. So it is on the 3.5th data element. So the two values are the third and the fourth element. So that is 9 and 11. So subtract. So the difference is 2. Step number 4, get the decimal part result in step 2, that is 0.5, and multiply it with the result in step 3. So the result is 2. So 0.5 times 2, that is equal to 1. Step number 5, add the result in step 4. What is the result in step 4? That is 1 to the smallest number in step 3. So the smallest number between 9 and 11 is 9. Okay, so add, you have there 10. So that means the value of the first quartile is 10. So that is, to simplify the step by step, you have there to get the value of the 3.5th data element, that is third observation, plus the decimal part, which is 0.5, the fourth data element, which is 11, and the third data element, which is 9. So if you solve this one, you are going to arrive with a value of 10. That is for the first quartile. So that is how you interpolate the measures of position. This is applicable also to decile and percentile. So next discussion is on decile. So watch out. Bye everyone.